I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care.
Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be applying charcoal mask in my underarm, and guys, I'm really excited for that. And in my last video I applied charcoal mask on my feet, and I want you to guys check that out, and I'm going to link it down somewhere here in the card, so make sure that you watch that. And as you guys must know that underarm is a really sensitive part of our body, and because of the presence of so many sweat glands in your underarms, it tends to sweat a lot. And now when it sweat a lot, it leads to accumulation of bacteria over there, which cause this stink in our sweat. So what charcoal mask does, guys, it helps in detoxifying your pores, and it also helps in unclogging your pores. As you guys must know that whenever we pull out the hair from our underarms by waxing, which we usually prefer, it gives a chicken pea-like appearance in our underarms, which really looks gross whenever you wear all those sleeveless clothes. So we are going to try it out, and I really hope that it helps me in getting refreshed and detoxified underarms. And for that we need to get into the video, guys. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. And this is going to mean a lot to me, and it's free for you guys. So for that we need to get into the video, so let's get started.
You made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why.
So guys, it has already been 20 minutes and it's drying off. It is giving me a little bit of minty like sensation, if that makes sense, because it feels like I have applied something minty on my skin. So I hope that is all the detoxifying process taking place, and I'm going to wait for another 20 minutes in order to just let it dry off completely, and then I'm going to peel it off. And a lot of people around have been trying it out on their faces, and they have been saying that it gives amazing results. So for me, underarm is very important part of my body. At least I want it to be really clear, and this is the reason I'm trying it out, and I'll peel it off after some time and I'll show you guys the results.
Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming.
20 minutes later.
I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So guys, as you must have seen, there are accumulation of so many dirt and so many, I don't know what this gross white thing is, but yes, there was so many little hair I had, very little hair that I had no idea about I had, and it has taken it out. And yes, I waxed a few days back and waxing did not take it out. I don't know because of what reason, maybe because they are so small and whenever you apply wax it does not get a grip of it. But charcoal mask sticks in your skin firmly, and when you pull it out they are supposed to come out for sure. And it also helps in removing the dust and all the pollution accumulation over there. And I believe now my sweat is not going to sting. That is what I'm believing right now. And it also had little hair and all those white glossy things, and I hope that I was able to collect it over and I showed it to you guys. And you can definitely try it out for yourself, and you can let me know in the comments down below if it really worked out for you. And I hope that I don't stink anymore, although I don't, but then also it is going to help you guys a lot. This is what my honest review is about it. And I'll see you guys super soon. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. And also make sure that you hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel, because YouTube has been so unfair to us these days and it doesn't show my videos any further even to my subscribers. So that make sure that you click on the bell icon for sure. And follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And if you have any suggestion for me to do, just let me know that too in the comment section and I'll do it for you guys. And I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. So in mask on my foot, and I'm going to link it down somewhere here in the cards for you to guys check. Last video. Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. And as you guys must know, hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. And I want to mention that in my last video I applied charcoal mask on my foot